Hey, my name is Johan Mailav. I'm the founder and CEO of Lean Dimensions International. Today, I want to talk about results you can expect from world-class manufacturing and results you should look for as well. Very common is that we look for the financial results, right? Obvious, we want to lower the cost, we want to maybe have a lower inventory levels, etc. We might have to want to turn over our money faster. This is one of the key parts, I guess, what people want to start working on. But there's other results that I would like to look for as well. But let me kind of hold on the financial results a little bit. When I talk to potential customers, and mostly with potential customers because they haven't seen the results yet, I'm always worried that I'm going to seem to be naive because I can show improvements that are greater than they can expect. So this sounds like I don't know what I'm talking about, right? But in reality, when you get into world-class manufacturing, you start speeding up, you get more and more people involved in it, if you do it correct, that is. The results you can get financially are often surprisingly high. There's savings that are 5 to 10 times higher than the cost for example to take somebody in like us. Also, if you look at one key result you should look for is a process that you have built and left behind while solving the problems and saving the money that you have done during the implementation. So one result is, have you got a process in place where people can execute the process? So do you leave capabilities and process behind that can bring that value to you and make sure you save the money or move any needle in any KPI that you want to move? It's a key part of the results. And then on the third part is the emotional part for people, to feel that you're grown as a person, that you are allowed to be engaged in something, that you can feel that you really are owning something that you're working on. It's such an important part for people, and it should be a part of the result you're looking for, because here's what it will give you: sustainability. One of the hardest things to get in any system is to make sure everything is sustained after. And we truly believe the sustainability comes from a well-performed, executed project, but also the heart, that people actually are in it and own it. It's a key part of it. If you want to achieve results like this, here's what I suggest you do. Email us or book a call on the link in this post, and we can discuss how we can help you to achieve the same results as many of our customers have got already. And the cost, you'll be surprised how much we can save and how little investment is compared to the cost you're going to save. Like and share the video as well. Let other people know this too. I think it will help them and it will help us, and we appreciate all you do to support us on our journey. Thank you for listening.